Good evening, gentlemen. I'm Kanalingam, of course. I'm owning a Skoda Octavia vehicle number TN66Y3785. Skoda is extending very good customer service. This time I had a problem with my vehicle. I brought the vehicle to Skoda customer service center, Saranambatti. I was received by Mr. Praveen Kumar in a wonderful manner. Of course, I can say that he is a dynamic and versatile personality, highly receptive. Because he explained about the condition of the vehicle and status, what are all to be done to rectify and revive the healthiness of the condition of the vehicle. He has executed the work in an excellent manner, of course, delivered the vehicle in time. In nutshell, I can explain that, of course, Mr. Praveen Kumar attitude and abilities are excellent. Okay, the Skoda is doing a wonderful service for the customers. And finally, I want to say a word about the manager, Janani Madam. He is also so kind and cooperative. Thank you.